This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Weekly wrap-up, Systemair's AHU with an R290 heat pump, new Panasonic CO2 heat pumps for Australia, Enex's fresh funding, and more. By Michael Hines. Published June 26, 2026. Systemair announces air handling unit with integrated propane heat pump. Systemair has announced the Geniox HPDFN, an air handling unit, AHU, with an integrated propane heat pump that it said combines fresh air supply with high-efficiency heat recovery and cooling in a single system. Systemair says the Geniox can operate in ambient temperatures of -22 to 36 degrees Celsius, -7 to 96 degrees Fahrenheit, and offers a COP of up to 16. Its applications include commercial buildings, public venues, and retail spaces. Systemair announced an AHU with an integrated CO2 heat pump for pool halls in 2025. Panasonic launches new residential CO2 hot water heat pumps in Australia. Panasonic has launched two new residential CO2 hot water heat pumps in Australia, one offering 4 kilowatts, 1.1 TR of capacity, and a larger 6 kilowatts, 1.7 TR unit. The units produce hot water at 59 degrees Celsius, 138 degrees Fahrenheit, and can operate in ambient temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The 6 kilowatt unit has a COP of 6.1, according to Panasonic, and both units can be connected to residential solar panels with no additional hardware required. Danfoss to donate 100 refrigeration training benches to schools worldwide. Danfoss will donate 100 refrigeration training benches, including propane systems, to HVAC and R technician training schools worldwide. The benches will feature high-efficiency compressors, precision valves, and advanced controllers, as well as an evaporator supplied by Guntner. One of the challenges facing propane-based refrigeration systems globally is a lack of technicians trained to work with flammable refrigerants. Copeland releases Global Impact Report, highlighting importance of natural refrigerants. Copeland has released a new Global Impact Report that names the adoption of low GWP and natural refrigerants as one of its sustainability priorities. The company said it's working with over 70 OEMs in the U.S. to drive the use of R290 and A2L refrigerants in refrigeration applications, and also stated that 4% of its annual revenue, which was $5 billion, 4.3 billion euros, total in 2025, goes toward R&D. Enex Technologies secures 33.5 million euros ESG-Linked refinancing facility. Enex Technologies has closed a 33.5 million euro, $38.2 million, refinancing facility linked to its ESG, environmental, social, and governance goals. The debt funding has a margin adjustment mechanism, meaning the financing terms can change based on Enex's progress in meeting its ESG goals. The company said the funding enables it to secure its industrial investment program for the next 3 years. Those priorities are expansion of production capacity in natural refrigerant technology lines, acceleration of technology development and innovation roadmap, organic growth and international expansion in high-potential European markets, and acceleration of Enex's presence in the data center segment.